Children, how are you all? I hope all are good at your home. Be safe, children. So let us start with a small thought today. Practice makes man perfect. Do you know the word what do you mean by practice? Yes, you have practiced many things in your life. But what is that practice gives us? It makes us perfect. So anything if you want to learn new or learning something new, you need to practice several times, isn't it? But at the last you will be perfect. Yes, what I mean to tell is math is a subject where you want to practice. No need of by hearting. How much time if you are practicing? That makes you perfect in the subject. So let us move to the problems of a first chapter. So here we have multiple choice question for you. So the first question is the shape of this. What is the figure you can see in the board is dash. The options are A circle, B square, C rectangle and D triangle. Children, I hope you know the shape of this figure. So it is a shape of a circle. So I am going to mark a tick mark in option A circle. So let us see this second question. A triangle is a dash figure. What is this triangle figure? So let us see the options. So first one is 2D. Yes, of course. Triangle is a 2D, two-dimensional shape because it has a length and breadth. So B is a closed. Yes. Triangle is a closed figure, it is not open figure, and option C is both A and B, and option D is open. So the answer is option C, both A and B. Triangle is a 2D figure and closed figure. So let us see the question, third question. The shape of figure is dash. So you can see the shape. Square, rectangle, triangle, circle. Children, you know square is a 4 sides are equal and triangle is a 3-side figure and circle is a closed loop. And what is this figure is a rectangle because opposite sides are equal. So mark at B. So the answer is rectangle. I hope you understood with this questions. Children, let us move to the next question. The point where at least 2 sides of a figure meet is called dash. So, if the 2 points meet, it and one point is called, what is it called? Let us see the option: line, diagonal, vertex and edge. So, vertex is a corner we have seen in the example of 3D shapes. So the answer is vertex. So if cube, let us see the, so these are all the corners or vertex of a 3D shapes. So the 2 points join at in one vertex. Have you understood? Let us see, a straight line joins the opposite vertex of a closed figure is called as a dash. So, if one figure is given, for example, so the opposite sides, so this and this joins, what it is called? It is called as a diagonal of a given figure. So, we will mark the option diagonal. There are other options like vertex, line and edge. So the answer is diagonal because opposite sides joined in a figure is called as a diagonal. So next question is the diagonals in the figure or dash. So diagonal is the figure is ABCD. So there is a point joined between A to C and B to D. So the options are AB, ABBC, ADCB, ACBD or ABDC. So I have explained in a second question what is a diagonal. So the opposite line segment is called as a diagonal. So here AC and BD are the two diagonals present in the figure. So the option is option C, AC and BD. So I am going to mark option C. I hope you understood with these questions. Children, please practice in your home whatever we have teaching to you and give a report in the group. Thank you so much children for watching the video.